Connect is a public artwork by artist Jeremy Wolf. It is installed in Riverside Park on the east side of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Description: Connect is an anthropomorphic bronze sculpture depicting a life-sized raccoon holding a fish with its two hands. One of its back feet is raised. While the animal's fur, tail and head closely mimic a raccoon's actual features, its feet, forearms and hands have a human quality. The base on which the raccoon sits is embossed with woodland imagery like trees, insects and a salamander. Commission process: Connect was selected by a committee assembled by the Urban Ecology Center. 4 artists, Susan Falkman, Peter Flannery, Richard Taylor and Jeremy Wolf, presented their concepts and fielded questions at an open meeting held at Riverside University High School in November 2003. References: